Hi children, welcome to social science class. Today we are continuing our same history chapter, the earliest societies. Last class we studied about Stone Age. Today, before starting our new topic, ma'am is going to explain previous classes what we learned. So children, we already learned about our ancestors. So earth is over 4600 million years old, though the life began on the earth on 3500 years ago. Then ma'am told you the early humans who appeared on the earth were ape-like creatures. They were called hominids. They could not walk straight. They lived either in caves or tree tops. Then they wandered from place to place, one place to another place. They moved in search of food and shelter, that we already learned. Later what happened? This hominid, some changes happened in their body. And they could stand erectly. They could stand straightly, and their fingers become more flexible. And developed a grip which helped them to hold the things firmly. So now what happened? Now that helped them to make tools. Now they would able to make the tools. After that, their brain case, it also became bigger and jaws became smaller. This group of people, they were known as, or this category of people, they were known as Homo erectus. After that, this Homo erectus also many changes happened, and it led to the emergence of a new category. They were known as Homo sapiens. Actually, the modern human beings are the category of Homo sapiens, and this Homo sapiens, that literally means wise man or thinking man. So we studied about the evolution of human being. After that, we studied life of early humans. So I already told you these early humans, they were hunter-gatherers. Their life that is totally depends upon nature, and we studied they moved from one place to another place. What are the main reason they moved from one place to another place? They moved one place to another place in search of animals. They hunted for skin or food. So in search of animals, they moved from one place to another place. So you know, animals won't stand in a particular or would not live in a particular place. Animals will move. For hunting the animals for food and skin, this early humans, they moved from one place to another place. And another reason why they moved from one place to another place, because the trees bore the fruit in different season. So based on the season, they moved from one place to another place. In search of water, they moved from one place to another place. Lakes and rivers are seasonal, so sometimes the rivers and lakes, it will dry up. So what happened? In search of water, they moved from one place to another place. Finally, ma'am told you, if they are living in a particular area, they will use the things from the nature. So what will happen? These resources will be exhausted. So when the resources exhausted, they moved from one place to another place. So these are the main reason why the early humans or Paleolithic people, they moved from one place to another place. After that, we learned about Stone Age. Then ma'am told you the early humans, they used stones for making tools and weapons. So this period is known as Stone Age. So what is Stone Age, children? The early humans, they used stones for making their tools and weapons. That period is known as Stone Age. Then I told you Stone Age is broadly classified into three: Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age and Neolithic Age. Paleolithic Age started from 6 lakh BCE to 10,000 BCE. Then Paleolithic, it is the old Stone Age. Next one, Mesolithic Age. Mesolithic Age started from 10,000 BCE to 8,000 BCE. This is also called Middle Stone Age. Then third one, it is Neolithic Age. Neolithic Age started from 8000 BCE to 4000 BCE. So Neolithic Age is also known as New Stone Age. So these are the three Stone Age. So already ma'am taught you children Paleolithic Age, which type of tools people mainly used. Paleolithic Age, people used hard stones or quartzite. Hard stones or quartzite they used for making their tools. Then I told you the term Paleolithic is first used by John Lubbock. John Lubbock in 1865. The term Paleolithic is firstly used. During this period, people mainly used hard stones for making their tools. These hard stones also called quartzite. So the Paleolithic human beings, they are known as quartzite humans. And after that we learned about Paleolithic period, again classified into three: Lower Paleolithic, Middle Paleolithic and Upper Paleolithic. Lower Paleolithic, Middle Paleolithic and Upper Paleolithic. And we learned which are the main tools used in these three Paleolithic period, and we already learned which are the sites or Paleolithic sites these tools were excavated by the archaeologists. Today's our topic is about stone tools of early humans. Which type of stone tools used by early humans? So children, ma'am already taught you early humans, they mainly used tools and weapons that made with stones. So these early humans, they used stone tool for different purpose. Can you tell which are the purpose the early humans used their tools? For hunting, okay, to hunt the animals, for taking the skin of animals, for cutting meat, chop trees, digging ground, scrape barks and skin. So these are the different purpose why early humans used stone tools. So children, these are the main purpose. Now we are going to study which are the three categories of stone tool used by early humans. So the early humans used three categories of stone tool. One is core tool, second one flake tools and third one blade tools. These are the three categories of tools used by early humans. So which are the three categories of tools used by early humans? Categories of tools used by early human. Categories of tools used by early human: core tool, flake tool, blade tools. Core tools, flake tools, blade tools. So along with me repeat once again which are the three types of tools used by the early humans, three categories of tools used by early human: core tool, flake tool, blade tool. Core tool, flake tools, third one blade tools. Okay, so for crushing the things they used core tools. For scraping or slicing the things they mainly used flake tools. And for slicing, okay, for slicing they used blade tools. So these are the three categories of tools used by early humans. Now we are going to study which are the two techniques they used for making tools. Now you know in modern world we are using different techniques for making different types of tools, weapons, etc. Earlier time, which are the techniques used by our early human beings for making tools, stone tools? So children, they mainly used two techniques for making tools, stone tools. One is pressure flaking method, second one stone on stone method. So which are the two methods they used? Stone on stone, stone on stone method. One is stone on stone method, second one pressure flaking method, pressure flaking method. Here ma'am told which are the categories of tools they used. Okay, here what ma'am told, which are the techniques, which are the techniques used by early human beings for making tools, stone tools. Okay, making stone tools. So which are the two techniques? Stone on stone method, pressure flaking method. Stone on stone method, pressure flaking method. Let us discuss one by one. What is stone on stone method? The pebble or stone or core which is going to make tool, it will keep on one hand, and another stone will take in another hand, and these two stones hammered together. These two stones are hammered together till the desired shape will achieve, or till the desired shape will get. No, up to that much time, what will do these two stones? Okay, pebble that is going to make tool, and one stone will take. This stone together will be hammered. Okay, hammered together until the desired shape will get. Okay, so this method is known as stone on stone method. Hammering. Okay, by hammering the stone, the extra flakes from the core stone is removed. That is known as stone on stone method. So what ma'am told children, what is stone on stone method? The pebble or stone from which the tool is going to make or tool is made, it will keep on one hand, and another hand another stone will take, and these stone together will hammered. Okay, these two stone together hammered until the desired shape was achieved. Okay, by hammering the stones together, the extra flakes from the core stone is removed. That method is known as stone on stone method. I think children it is clear. Second one, pressure flaking method. Ma'am told second one, pressure flaking method. In this method, what they will do? Pebble was kept on a hard surface. Pebble was kept on a hard surface. A stone or a bone piece kept over it. Pebble was kept on a hard surface. So what ma'am told children? Pebble was kept on a hard surface. Then what will do? A stone or a bone piece kept over it. Stone or bone piece kept over it. Using a hammer stone, what will do? Using a hammer stone, the extra flakes will be removed till they get the desired shape. That method is known as pressure flaking method. So a pebble was kept in a hard surface, then they will take a stone or a bone. By using another hammer stone, what will do? The extra flakes will be removed until the shape will get. No, they will hammer. Using this hammer stone, the extra flakes will be removed. So pressure flaking method, that method, what ma'am told is clear children. So in this method, what they are doing? Pressure, using the pressure flaking method, they are making the tools. That method is known as pressure flaking method. So first one, what ma'am told children, which stone or which pebble is going to make tool will keep in one hand, and another stone, it is used, these two stones hammered together until the shape will get. Okay, that is called stone on stone method. Second one, what ma'am told? Pressure flaking method. In pressure flaking method, the pebbles was kept on a hard surface. Pebble was kept on a hard surface. Then a stone or a bone piece kept over it. Stone or a bone piece will kept over it, and using a hammer stone, what will do? Extra flake is removed by using the hammer stone until the desired shape will get. Such method is called the pressure flaking method. So these are the two methods used by early humans for making their tools. So don't forget children, first ma'am told which are the categories of tools they used. Three categories of tools they used: core tool, flake tool, blade tool. Then two methods they used for making tools: stone on stone method, pressure flaking method. These are the two methods. So children, I think you got. Anyway children, this Paleolithic people, they made tools with stone, ma'am told. They also used bones, not only stone, they used bones also for making tools. And in many sites excavated, the tools used by this Paleolithic people excavated by the archaeologists from many sites in India. And they were hunter-gatherers, that also ma'am taught you. This hunter-gatherers speciality, you know, they will move from one place to another place in search of their food and shelter. And they made many stone tools. These people made many stone tools wherever they are getting fine quality of stone that they used for making their weapon. They used for making their tools and weapon. And the place they were, the remains of these stone tools can be found. This is known as, that places are known as factory sites. So what is factory sites children? The places where these early humans, they made tools. Okay, so the remains of these tools excavated by the archaeologists from different sites. These sites or these places are known as factory sites. So what is factory sites? So ma'am told children, the early humans or the Paleolithic people, they made tools wherever they are getting fine quality of stones. That area they used, in that area they made tools. So the archaeologists got the remains of these tools from many sites. These sites are known as factory sites. Is it clear? The place where the archaeologists got the remains of tools made by the Paleolithic people or the early humans, that is known as factory sites. So sometimes the people lived in these sites for a long time. Sometimes the people lived these sites for a long duration. So these sites are known as habitation cum factory sites. So what ma'am told children, were the remains of tools that excavated by the archaeologists, that places are known as factory sites. So then ma'am told sometime what the early humans, they stayed these sites or these places, they stayed for a long duration. They made tools and they stayed here long duration. Such types of sites are known as habitation cum factory sites. Habitation means staying. Okay, they are stayed there long time. Along with that staying, they made tools also. Such type of sites are excavated by the archaeologists. Such type of sites are known as habitation cum factory sites. Habitation cum factory sites. So don't be confused what is factory sites and habitation cum factory site. Factory sites means remains of stone tools that is excavated by the archaeologists from some places or from some sites. That is factory sites. Habitation cum factory site means that early human or the Paleolithic people lived here. They made tools. Along with making tools, they stayed here long duration. Such types of sites are known as habitation cum factory sites. So children, this much we want to know about the tools used by the Paleolithic people. Now we will study, next class we will study the discovery of fire. Actually the discovery of fire, that is one of the greatest discovery of human being or the greatest discovery of man, that we will study in the next class. I think today's topic is clear to you. If you have any doubt, ask me. We will meet in the next class.